what does freedom mean to you? To me, it's not working 12 hours a day anymore. It's not working every Friday, every Saturday, and every holiday. Back in 2023, you guys, I was working in a factory for 16 years. That's all I did was work. So needless to say, I had no life. Then at the beginning of 2023, I went to work that night because I worked third shift. I would go to work at night when my kids were sleeping. That way me and my husband wouldn't have to get a babysitter because we couldn't afford it. And I wasn't going to pay a stranger to watch my kids. I refused to do that. But I went to work one night, just on a regular night. Without a warning, they eliminated my whole department. So I was left without a job, no money in savings, and I was knee-deep and drowning in medical debt already. So I stayed home for 2 months trying to find a different job with no luck. And that's when I realized real quickly I did not want to go back to that. I was tired of grinding my face off, not having any time with my family. So imagine this summer actually truly being able to spend more time with your family, making memories, actually going out and doing the things that you love, but still having that predictable daily income coming in. My business is fully automated, so it will be out there working for you 24/7, my friends, doing the sharing and the telling for you. All I do is 2 hours of income earning activities, driving results back to my business. And you guys, this is a program. It's not a course sitting in your computer. It's a program where you can get on live and have all your questions answered, when have live interactive mentorship on a weekly basis. So you never want to journey alone, my friend, and you know exactly what to do. But if you'd like to learn more, I'd love to share this amazing opportunity with you and how it's giving my time back with my family and be able to make more memories and actually have more choices and do the things I love without grinding my face off. Just let me know. Drop me in the comments and I'd absolutely love to share it with you.